Hello future engineers and future mathematicians. There is another video in hydraulics, particularly on the topic fluid force on plane surfaces. And the gate is rectangular and oriented vertically. So this is the problem. A vertical rectangular gate 1.5 meters into the screen is subjected to substances shown. What couple should be applied on the hinge to keep the gate closed? If in case a stop is placed on the bottom, determine the reaction on the stop. So here is the figure. Here is the gate. The height of the gate is 2.4 meters and perpendicular to the screen it is 1.5 meters. So it is rectangular. It is subjected on the left side by water pressure and on the right side by a mat with specific gravity 1.8. And since we expect that the force pushing the gate rightward is greater than the force F sub m, force due to the mat to the left, so the moment should be directed clockwise as shown in the figure. There is reaction at the hinge, horizontal reaction, which may be going to the left, and because the weight of the gate is not mentioned here, even if there is weight, that uh, weight has no moment about the hinge, and the reaction therefore which acts at the hinge has no contribution to the moment resistance or to this moment here. Moment about the hinge is zero, remember that, but the moment that should hold the gate in place in equilibrium is still applied at the hinge or about the hinge axis. So we have here FW, the centroid of the area of the gate is 1.2 meters below the hinge level. It's because the height of the gate is 2.4 meters. So this is the force due to water and its distance, vertical distance along the plate or along the plane of the gate from the centroid of the gate is denoted by E sub VPW, while the force due to MAD is at distance from G vertically below E sub VPM. So F here is specific weight of substance Hg area because on each side there's only one liquid and its surface is exposed to the atmosphere, so gauge pressure is zero. So for water, Hg is 4.2, 3 plus 1.2, and for the mud, 0.6 plus 1.2, it's 1.8. So summation moment about the hinge equals 0, clockwise positive, so we have m plus Fm times quantity 1.2 plus EVPM equals Fw times quantity 1.2 plus EVP sub E sub VPW. So F water is 9.81, Hg is 4.2, and area is 1.5 by 2.4. So F due to water is 148.33 kilonewtons. F due to mud is specific weight of the mud, which is specific gravity 1.8 times 9.81. Hg for the mud is 1.8 and the area of the gate is the same 1.5 by 2.4. So F sub M is 114.42 kilonewtons. Then we compute E sub VP W and E sub VPM. The general formula is IG sine theta over area HG, but sine theta is sine of 90 degrees 1 because the gate is vertical, so don't mind that. So if we replace I sub G over area HG, it will result to H of rectangle square over 12 HG. And that formula was also derived in the first part of the playlist Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulics. And in the preceding videos also I explained that. So 2.4 square over 12 E sub VPW is 2.4 square over 12 times Hg of water 4.2, and it is equal to 4 over 35 meter. E sub VPM is 2.4 square over 12 times 1.8. Hg of mud is 1.8, 0.6 plus 1.2, 1.8. It's this. Also 4 over 15 meters. So substitute in this working equation m plus 114.42 times quantity 1.2 plus E sub VPM 4 over 15 equals FW 148.33 times quantity 1.2 plus 4 over 35. So that would be equal to 27.13 kilonewton meter clockwise as shown. Then let's solve this case. If in case a stop is placed on the bottom, determine the reaction on the stop. So if there is a stop here, there's no need to apply this moment about the hinge. So we'll just compute for F due to the stop as presented here. So summation of moment about the hinge equals 0. The equation is F sub S times 2.4 plus Fm times quantity 1.2 plus EVPM equals FW times quantity 1.2 plus EVPW. So since the difference between this moment and that moment is M in part A, then Fs times 2.4 equals M. That's the resulting equation. So Fs times 2.4 equals M. Since we already calculated 27.13 kilonewton meter in part 1, so Fs times 2.4 equals 27.132. Solving for Fs equals 11.305 kilonewton meters. So 11.3, that's also acceptable. 11.305 kilonewtons. So that's it for this video.